Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. J. Jayapal, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. The subject is data communication and network. Circuit switching. The main topic is circuit switching. The circuit switching, the two types of switching. One is a space division switching, another one is a time division switching. The space division switching is having the two methods of switches we are using. One is a crossbar switch, another one is a multi-stage switch. Okay, now the space division switch in this, the path in the circuit are separate from each other spatially. A type of switching system in which all of the link, contacts, matrix, cross points, and the switches are physically separated. This technology was originally designed for use in analog network, currently used in both analog and digital networks. So the space division switching already we are discussed in the previous class. Now we are going to see the time division switch. Okay, time division switches. Uh, it uses a time division multiplexing to achieve switching. There are two popular methods used in time division multiplexing. The one is time slot interchange. The another one is TDM bus. Here, this is on diagram. Here we are using the any switches we are using between the devices. So the A, B, C, D is the left hand side. The another side is the same. We are using the four devices A, B, C, D. But here we are not using any switches between the devices. The second one diagram. So that is we are using the one TSI switch between the devices, the ABCD. The another side is a CDAB. Okay, the A device is it is connected to the third one device. The B device is connected to the fourth one device. The C device is connected to the first one. The D device is connected to the second one. So all the devices we are connected through the TSI switching. So that is one simple diagram how to make to connecting the one side to another side by using the TSI switch. So the times slot interchange switch, that is a TSI switch. A system connecting four inputs lines to four output lines. If input lines want to send a data to an output line according to the following patterns. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 2. So the desired talk is not accomplished. Data are output in the same order as they are input. We insert a device TSI into the link. A TSI switch changes the order of the slots based on the desired connections. In this case, it changes the order of data from ABCD to CDAB. Now, when the uh, demultiplexer separates the slots, it passes them to the proper outputs. So that is a diagram for the TSI switch. The left hand side that is a sequentially controlled. The right hand side is a selectively controlled. So the sequentially controlled is the and it's one order A B C D, but it's selectively controlled. It's having the some desired orders. Here we are using BADC. Okay, here we are using only the memory unit, one memory unit, and then control unit. Memory unit, the RAM is used for storing the uh, data for how to make to connecting the left hand side to right hand side. The control unit control the connections between the two sides. Okay. Um, how to TSA works in the figure 1.20. The TSA consists of random access memory with several memory locations. The size of each location is the same as the size of a single slot. The number of locations is the same as the number of inputs. The RAM flips up with incoming data from time slot in the order received. The slots are then sent out into an order based on the decision of a control units. So that is a diagram for the time slot interchange. The next one is a TDM bus. In this shows a very simplified version of a TDM bus. The input and output lines are connected to a high-speed bus through input and output gates. That is the micro switches. The each input gate is closed during one of the four time slots. During the same time slot, only one output gate is also closed. This pair of gates allows a burst of data to be transmitted from one specific input line to one specific output lines using the bus. So this diagram, it's using the same, the one side is the four devices, another side is we are using the four devices. Here we are using the one common bus. The common bus is connected to the both sides of the devices, and we are using one control units. The control units connecting the devices from one side to another device. It's like to the desired one. The 1 to 3, 2 to 4, and 3 to 1, and 4 to 2 likewise. The control unit opens and closes the gates according to the switching need. For example, in the figure that the first time slot, the input gates 1 and output gates 3 will be closed. The closed means the data, it will be transferred from 1 to 3. Likewise, the during the second time slot, input gate second and output gate 4 will be closed. That means the device left hand side, the device 2 is transferred the data to the right hand side device of fourth one. Likewise, it will be do the remaining devices. Okay, circuit switching advantages. It's only designed for voice communications. That is the analog signals. The circuit switching, it's having some disadvantages. It is less well suited for data and other non-voice transmissions. It is inflexible. The data rate is very low. So these are some disadvantages in the circuit switching. Thank you.